आज हम पढ़ेंगे A to Z। तो कैसे आप लोग फन के साथ एप्पल 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 A is for apple apple B is for ball 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 B is for ball ball C is for cookies 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 C is for cookies cookies D is a doll doll E is eyes 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 E is eyes eyes F is for flower 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 F is for flower flower G is a girl girl G is a girl is the house 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 and is the house I is ice cream ice cream ice cream I is ice cream is cream J is a juice juice J is a juice K is a kite K is a kite L is a low one low one and is a low one the O N and is a mouth mouth and is a mouth and is a nose nose and is a nose O is a omelette 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 O is a omelette omelette P is a pan pan P is a pan pan Q is a queen queen Q is a queen and R is a run R is a run S is spray spray S is spray spray T is a tissue T is a tissue tissue U is a umbrella water. W so water. Otter.